What is a niche and why you should choose one for your online business? Every website of each online business must have a well-defined niche towards which it is oriented. In the same way, it must have defined the type of person to which it is oriented. Your website may be a general site or possible a personal blog that does not belong to a specific niche. However, the site must have a theme or some feeling that keeps it attached. You may write on your blog about various topics such as coffee, your city, or books. Still, the way you write and connect ideas make it identify with some existing niche. All these aspects that you communicate are related to each other to arrive to a unique idea or a specific group of people who follow a certain trend. You must understand and know the niche you do business in if you want your site and online business to be successful. Many online site owners do not understand this basic concept. They fail to understand the niche where they operate day by day fully. This unfortunately makes their online site suffer. You must be 100% clear about your niche and what it is, especially if you use your website to promote your business online. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can get much more free and valuable internet marketing information on a regular basis. Also make sure you subscribe to alert to be informed before other users when I publish a new content to this channel. Thanks again and goodbye.